Leaving and then coming back to YouTube, it happens time and time again, but we have a new office. In the last video 4 months ago, we've been working really hard and I showed you our office on the mezzanine at ヴᴜ괜ʀ Labs. And now we are on floor 2 in the secured office being shared with Ubisoft. Okay, wait, before I take you over there, show you the snack drawer, show you the new office, show you how we fix online reputations, tell you everything, I want to show you the coolest part of this new place. Hey Google, say something inspiring.
Oscar Wilde said, "Some cause happiness wherever they go, others whenever they go."
I don't get it. Let's go see. Anyway, so we have 2 staff that's in office now. Obviously, I let my staff work remotely because I'm not 87. I allow people to do that. This is the office. Banner we had made about online reputation management, what we do. Company is growing. We're getting more corporate work. It's really good. Personal life is okay. Kind of difficult to compartmentalize away from the business life. It's very stressful. This is the desk of our staff writer. This is the desk of our communications officer. And then my desk right back here, CEO, bigboss.ca.co.uk, or over here. I sit over here. I like this corner. I'm gonna put a Christmas tree over there, get some nice vibes going in the office. Anyway, I'll show you the rest of the office. There's only 3 of us in here. We have 2 contractors and part-time kind of, so we have we're 5 people max, 3 in the office. Take a look back here. So this, I'm running over my cables. This is the whole space. We have a very good space to use. We have a kitchen, and Ubisoft is in here usually on the weekdays, so we get to see them. It's nice to have a shared office space with a big company now. How do I get untangled? Welcome to our kitchen here at Nadernejad Media Incorporated. We have a snack drawer, designated snack drawer. Super cool. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is the snack drawer. I'll open it here. Usually a lot more full than this, but this will have to do for now. Ubisoft has 2 snack drawers, of course, because they're bigger. We have the fridge. Apparently there's chair yoga and breakfast going on in this building. Very nice. Someone has stocked up on Perrier. Oftentimes when we do staff meetings, we will gather in these meeting rooms that are bookable online just to make sure it doesn't collide with other people's meetings. This is called භᴜ괜ʀ, I don't know what it says, but that's another meeting room. And back over to the desk. I'm making this video and I'm also getting a call. Hello. So what happened after that call is I never came back to the office ever again for 3 hours, because that's what happens. My days lately have been more fragmented. I've been less focused, and regardless of having employees, it's my job to drive business growth, okay? The growth of this channel, the growth of our reputation as a company, and even my own impact and legacy that I want to leave. I've been so not focused when it comes to business development. And that is what I want to do right now. Grow this company, take us to the next level.